here at Eli's now, taking a look at our 1983 911 SC that's getting ready for paint. And there she is. Stripped down, fenders off, hood off, doors off. All the paint work has been prepped, body work completed. So currently I'm leaning towards the formula color, which has got more yellow and perhaps a little bit of brown, versus this being more of an off-white color. I have a special place in my heart for this combination. My first race car was a 1981 911 SC, done up as a 3-liter RSR, street car turned into a race car, and it was chiffon white with browns. It's period correct. It's certainly something that you would see in the 80s, not rarely, but fairly often. And it looks dynamite in a cabriolet with the top down and the contrasting colors of the interior and exterior.